Okay, we've got a sequence here, number 4 through 6. And we have to decide whether this is an arithmetic or a geometric series. You're being asked to find the general term, which is un. So we only know two types of sequences where we find the general term. And so we need to know whether it's geometric or arithmetic. If you just look at it, you can tell it's not arithmetic because if you were to subtract these two, you'd get 8. 6 minus negative 2 is 8. And you can just see that you're not going to get 8 when you subtract those. So we know it's not arithmetic. Now, a good guess is that it's geometric, but let's just make sure. If I divide 6 over negative 2, I get negative 3. And also notice I'm picking the easiest ones to divide. I could divide these, but it's just harder. So why don't I pick the easiest ones? To check the ratio is consistent, let's divide those. So negative 2 divided by 2 over 3. Remember, when you divide a fraction, you flip it and multiply. So this is the same as negative 2 times 3 over 2, which is negative 6 over 2, which is negative 3. So you see, we did get the same ratio. To be absolutely sure, you'd want to check this one as well. But you can just mentally check in your head. Did I get from here to here by multiplying by negative 3? And the answer is yes. Okay, so we know we're using a geometric sequence here. And so the formula for a geometric sequence is r to the n minus 1, and then you put the u1 in front. Okay, so we have our r. Looks like r is equal to negative 3. So the general term is u1, which is negative 2 over 9. R is negative 3. And then I have n minus 1. You can just leave it like that. That's fine. And there's your general term. Okay, in number 5, it's asking you to find u9. u9 comes from replacing the n with a 9. So negative 2 over 9, negative 3 to the 9 minus 1. That's negative 2 over 9 times negative 3 to the 8. And I'll let you do that in your calculator if you like. Okay, so that's number 5. And then number 6.